Hello everyone, should be the second video of segment reporting. So in this video, I'm just kind of focusing on what does it mean segment and what are the variety of segments. And then I will go to explain to you in a kind of an example about UWS as institutions and how the segment reporting concept work with that. So segment basically is any part of activity. So it might be a department, it might be a division, it might be a cost center, it might be a revenue center, it might be an investment center. So there are some organizations classify the segments into cost center, profit center, investment center, and they call them responsibility centers or segments. So I will explain to you here, for example, this. I just typed it with iPad pen on my iPad and just posted this photo just to explain to you. For example, we have at your institution, at UWS, at the University of West of Scotland, we have 4 schools. We have business creative industries, we have education and social science, we have health school, and we have computing and engineering schools. So, and of course, in addition to these schools, we have professional service departments. We have the IT department. We have some other departments at UWS. For example, inside the BCI or inside the business and the creative industries, we have accounting, finance and law, which you belong to. We have management organization project. We have marketing, innovation, tourism, and we have another division called something related to creative industry. So we have 4 divisions or 4 segments inside the business school or inside the business and business creative industry. Under accounting, finance and law, we have accounting and finance, and we have law. So for the accounting and finance and or each on the UWS strategy, there is the executive who are putting the strategy. So for example, our aim is just to provide the excellent service for students. This is the aim that they put in the executive as a kind of a mission or a vision for UWS. And they pass this vision to all the schools, BCI, ESS, health and computing and engineering. And inside, so that means that at UWS, this is the executive or this is the top level, and then they pass their strategy or their mission or their aim or their objectives to all schools, to the 4 schools, BCI, the business school, and the computing and health and education. And then inside the business school, we are working, these are the management, or the schools are the management, or the 4 schools are the management, because it's always they discuss everything with all the deans of all schools, and the deans discuss everything with the head of divisions. So we have, for example, in the business school, business and creative industry, we have 4 divisions. So the dean of the business school discussing everything with the head of divisions. Head of divisions discuss everything with unit leads, and unit leads discuss with all lectures. This is how the structure goes under UWS as segment. So for example, at there is a budget. Just assume that there is a budget for each school, and this budget, some of it will go to accounting and finance, some of it will go to management organization projects, some of it will go for marketing and innovation. So there will be some money will be spent for each division. However, there are some common costs for all divisions and for the business school. And so, for example, let's talk about Paisley, because, for example, under BCR, under ESS, under health, under computing, is still some other kind of classification that's related to the campus, whether it's a Paisley campus, Lanarkshire campus, London campus, Ayr campus, etc. So this is how it works. So it might be, for example, in let's talk about Beasley or Lanarkshire or Air. There are some traceable cost, and there are some common cost. The common cost that it's already common for the whole company, which is for a whole UWS. But there are traceable fixed cost for each segment or for each division. This is the idea of segment, and I wanted to explain to you what does it mean segments, and how the classification, and what does it mean common and traceable fixed cost. Of course, I will repeat this again in the next example. I hope this is okay with you. Oh, I'm really glad that this this worked really very well. So we'll talk about this later on. Okay. See you later. Bye bye.